So let's make a perfect espresso. Huh?
Okay, Fabio.
We are gonna use our original blend, one of the finest of Caffè Vergnano blends. It's composed with 80% of Arabica from Central and South of America and 20% of high Robusta from India called Capi Royale.
How many grams?
We are gonna use 15.5 grams in. Contact time from 20-25 seconds to get 25 ml into the cup.
Looking really like a tail of a topolino. Huh?
No, tail of mouse.
Nice. Yeah, finito.
Okay.
Wow. A spoon? Or
Here you are? Yes, for sure. The spoon for
Why
you to
the
mix
spoon?
the espresso. To mix espresso in this way, we can really, you see, mix the different layers that characterize this espresso, and releasing the aroma very well. Huh?
From top to bottom.
Yeah, bravo,
And not
exactly.
here this way,
No,
but this
from,
way.
Bravo, from top
Yeah.
and the bottom.
Yeah.
Correct.
Cool.
So,
Fabio, wow.
thank you, Marcus, to come here. Enjoy your espresso,
grazie.
enjoy your Caffè Vergnano.
Ah, yeah, that's
Well
cool.
done.
That's
Thank you very
really
much. Thank you.
nice. Wow. Well. Yeah, now I'm ready.
Yeah.
Super. Okay, Chaga. Hi guys, so now is mocha time, you know? Not espresso, not filter coffee, but mocha. What is the difference? In mocha is grinding degrees more coarse than espresso, but finer than filter coffee.
Correct.
And
And
step number one
yeah, will be
will be to the preparation, and for this we use hot water.
correct.
And we fill in the hot water until here.
Valve.
Yeah, not above the valve, but just below the valve. Okay, so I will do this here.
Yeah. So this is water from the bottle,
Yes.
and we already heat it at the temperature of 90 degrees to reduce the contact time during the extraction preparation over the heater. In this way, the taste will be better, less bitterness, more sweet.
So step number two, the main ingredients is coffee, of course. So we try to fill it equal. Like we have a small trick here, I can show you with the AeroPress. We can do the surface quite even. And now, step number 3, put it here. Step number 4, assemble. Step number 5, put here on the heater,
Yeah, and turn on.
and then wait.
And now we have to wait, we can chat, we
Yeah,
can read a
cool.
newspaper, we can
Yeah,
relax,
yeah.
we can chat with our wife, girlfriend, and our
Yeah.
dog. What?
Yeah,
Up
or
to you.
in the meanwhile time prepare cappuccino
Bravo,
or whatsoever.
Exactly.
And then slowly there should be also a noise.
We have to stop before the classic noise of the
Okay,
mocha pot.
okay.
We have to stop it just a few seconds before.
Yeah,
So because in that moment when the noise come in, the
yeah,
temperature of water is 100 degrees.
Yeah.
So it's too high.
yeah,
And the risk is that high temperature burnt
Yeah.
the quality of the flavor of our coffee. So we have to just a little bit before
Yeah.
stop the extraction.
okay.
Yeah, remove it mocha pot from the heater.
Yeah, normally when I experience mocha, it's always bitter
Yeah.
and has not such a nice flavor.
Yeah, bitter and also shy, smoky.
Yeah.
Most of this bad taste is increased, unfortunately, from the baristas at home. They
Yeah.
don't know very well how can prepare it.
Yeah.
And that's why we are here to show to everybody some tips and tricks
Cool.
to make
Yeah.
it very well.
Yeah. Also, sometimes I see people pressing,
Press, bravo,
and
exactly.
that's not really.
You can follow the tips that Marcus show you, and you will see the taste will be fantastic.
Because this is a classical way.
Sì, sì,
It's many Italians have it at home.
sì, sì, right. So you see the extraction.
Wow, cool, super cool.
Okay, we can turn off the extraction and remove the mocha pot from the heater and leave it in a gentle way
Yeah.
to complete the extraction by itself.
And then in this way, even a simple mocha tastes great. Cool. So we
We can taste it, yeah.
Yeah. Which cup? Espresso cup?
Yeah, up to you.
Yeah,
to you.
okay. I think our cameraman also needs a.
See. Before serving, I suggest you to mix it very well, and after that, enjoy your mocha.
Why to mix?
To balance the taste, to balance the aroma, because the first part is more strong than the last
Okay.
part that is a little bit watery.
Yeah. Oh,
And
I think I also need to give something to Giulio. He has a long way to Modena. Come here. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
So, questo per te.
Oh, great gasoline.
Yeah,
Quality gasoline.
salute. Wow, cool.